My name is Emilia. I am a retired child of my parents. I have a lot of plushies, 3 closets for clothing, also 2 racks of clothing. I have lived in this room as long as I remember. And it looks like I never thrown anything away. Things are far too cluttered, far too messed up. Too much of everything. I'm a fashionista. This is a cat sandal. There used to be a pair. This is a tie. I don't know where it came from. And this is an alpaca sticker. I used to do a lot of art. Now I just have the supplies. I also have a lot of clothes. Ha! I am Monkey, and Emilia is my plushie. She says she's a fashionista. I say she's a hoarder. There has been a lot of pointless purchases. Stuff she picked up from trash, thrift stores, someone random grandma. It's overwhelming. I am a catfluencer, and Emilia should be cancelled. She owned ties she promised to wear. She never wore them. Her room is full of clothes. So many clothes she cannot even decide what to wear when there is an event. Unacceptable. People think messy closet means you are lazy. Denial! But that's not it. If your closet keep getting messy, it's usually because the system doesn't match how your brain works. Emilia have. I might wear this. It's the future version of me. I am guilty of throwing this away because somebody gave it to me. I wore these clothes when I was in 6th grade. This was so expensive. Every morning feels like a micro mental breakdown. I scream at her every day. Ha! Me too! I found garlic in her room. Hello! I am Ducky. I am a thrift store owner. No, I'm a professional cleaner and a removal specialist specialized in Emilia. I am Dr. Frog, certified psychologist from Plassey University. We need to remove items, lots of items. Inventory for recovery. Emilia, tell me how you feel about these pants. This no longer serve your bum. No. Okay. What about this one? This one, it makes your body itch. No. How can I help if I cannot profit? Short. Ducky, this is a harder intervention, not a capitalist episode. Oh, right. You two, stop bullying me. Stop telling me which clothes I have to discard. Anyways, you refuse help. When they left, I remember something. I used to dress nicely. Now I look in the mirror and realize I might make money begging on the street. I did. Hello, I think I need your help. Nice! Oh my god, Ducky! Ducky, why are you putting my clothes in a plastic bag without consulting me? Are you planning to wear them by yourself? trying to help you. I don't want you to live in clutter. I want to help you clean up. Don't worry. If you are changing your mind, you can always buy it back from me. This is an anti-small business behavior. I am just a small business. Before we begin, do not dump your entire closet on the floor unless you want to cry. We start with one category. 1. Tops, pants, dresses. The 3-pile method. It's not keep, donate, or trash. That's aggressive. We will use. Yes, I wear this. I don't know yet. No. The I don't know yet pile is allowed. That's crucial. Hello, sir. How do you like your steak to be cooked? Ew! Forgotten clothes moment. Ask yourself, did you forget this because it was hidden or because you don't want to wear it? If you feel nothing when you see it, that is your answer. Archive box. We achieve, not panic. If you don't open it in 6 to 12 months, you already let it go emotionally. If it's not the season, it does not deserve eye contact. Out of sight, reduce decision fatigue. This is psychology. Professor, why won't we try the Marie Kondo method? You know, this doesn't spark joy. This sparks joy. Oh, well, I know you very well. Once you found your closet is kind of empty, I know you're going to buy and replace the things that you lost. So it's no use for you to use the Marie Kondo. How would you like to organize your clothes? Well, I think by color it doesn't work. It's still messy, and by material doesn't work either. Definitely not by season. Good. So I'm going to organize based how I feel. I'm going to label it clothes to wear when I want to beg on the street, clothes to wear when I feel like a rebellious granddaughter, and clothes to wear when my stomach is declaring war, but I still have to go outside. Okay, this one makes sense. I call this method self-aware chaos management. You know what? Just because your goats produced cashmere and eats grass coincidentally, well, you just cannot name your brand like this. Cashmere. And it's not even made of cashmere, it's made of polyester. Hey, hey, hey! Look at this one! Can you believe that? I bought this jacket merely just because it said made in Paris! Yeah, the material is nice, the finishing is good, but still, I bought it just because made in Paris! I'm telling you, this is probably the hardest video I have made. Please sign. Okay. Hello there, it's me, Emilia. You want to see my closet? Well, first of all, please take the sandal. Yeah, you can wear this cat sandal if you like. You don't want it? Fine, I'll wear it myself. Yes, I found the pair, finally. Oh, this one? Let me open this. Let me show you. Yeah, this is my no clothes. This is uncomfy and uncool. It's worn out, and I think I'm going to upcycle it in the next few months, maybe. Haha, nobody knows. Okay, let's move on to the next bag. Okay. And then this one. This cat. This one is maybe. Yeah. It's a maybe. It's uncomfy but still cool. Well, my bum has been getting bigger, so some of these are not fit anymore. So either I'm going to lose weight or I'm going to alter it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh ho ho! I spent so much effort organizing all of this. This is my proudest. Yeah, this is my proudest creation. I have shown the clothes to wear for begging on the street. Well, it's only for experiment. I'm not begging, okay? And I will never be. Yeah, this for my baking experiment. And then this is war. When my students declare war, well, I have my own armor here. It's going to make me ready when my students declaring war. Yeah, this is my armor. All of this is my armor. I am ready for it to be splattered. Haha. And then this is my clothes to wear when I feel like a rebellious grandma. Well, I thought I'm not sticking to any aesthetic, but when I do this declutter thing, I realized that I think being a grandma is my aesthetic. my grandma aesthetic clothes. Yeah! I love flowers pattern.
I am
Definitely a grandma person. I can be friend with your grandma. Oh, you're asking me this one? Well, this is a pile of clothes that I only wear once. Well, it's too clean to be washed out, but yet it's too dirty. So rather than putting it here, I choose to put it here. Falling apart. Yeah, it's holding on their lives. And this is my bag collection. And this is I think this is my signature pieces over here. Over here is my signature pieces. And then on to the next one, the closet. I finally be able to close this closet. It's been a long time I cannot close it properly. Finally it can close. Okay, let's open. Ta-da! It's the clothes to wear when I want to pretend that I'm put together. There you go. Oh, this is my hair. Yeah. Also, we have this one. Yay! My put together clothes are all over here. And that is me. Yay! And this is my edgy box. Yeah, I will wear this. I will open it in 6 months when I miss something from there. I think I'm doing a great job at decluttering. I am so proud of myself. Don't listen to her. She hides her clutter over here. What a silly little monkey. Don't listen to him.